Enough reggae music. You must have to choose it. I saw them do it at Jamaica, you know. Holy Parobado.
Guarantee you wanna say, hey, no job for sake we got. This child of Israel feel the pain. He feels the pangs of hunger creeping through his stomach. But as inflation rises to the sky, faster and faster, higher and higher, faster and faster, higher and higher. And prices multiply. Every day the food supply is increasing, while the population is increasing. Where are they going to find a way to serve mankind? Every day the energy is there, say that it declines. Where are they going to find a way to serve mankind? No job for sacred not. This child of Israel feel the pain. He feels the pangs of hunger still creeping through his stomach. Now as they have the young warriors, they grow taller and taller, wiser and stronger, taller and taller, wiser and stronger. They grow now, and they just laugh off misery, and they just laugh off hunger, because the fruit of their labor just tell them they must see. Wonder will I, I'm going to. Wonder will I, I'm going to. Wonder will I, I'm going to. Every day the food supply decreasing, while the population is increasing. Where are they going to find a way to serve mankind? No job for sacred not. This child of Israel feel the pain. He feels the pangs of hunger still creeping through his stomach. Now job for sacred not. I trot through the streets of Babylon, and I fear not, though I walk in the shadow of the wicked. Jah will guide and protect my soul so I can trot on. No job for sacred not. Some men and people who try to crucify Selassie, I and them go and pay the price. Forsake me not. This child of Israel feel the pain. He feels the pangs of hunger still creeping through his stomach. No job forsake me not. I trot through the streets of Babylon, and I fear not, though I walk in the shadow of the wicked. Jah will guide and protect my still so I can trot.